Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Asma if you're new here, and today's video is going to be a tutorial on this look right here. And if you want to see how I did this, please keep on watching. For today's look, I'm using the palette Ring the Alarm from Jaclyn's Vault collection with Morphe brushes, which is due to launch on the 14th of August. First of all, I'm going to take this eyeshadow called Rush, which is a very nice, warm, burnt orangey color, a perfect color to use for your transition eyeshadow. I'm going to use this eyeshadow as my transition color, which means that I'm going to apply it under my brow bone but above my crease, doing so with the Sigma Beauty E40 brush with a combination of swiveling motions and windshield wiper motions. I'm going to go in with this eyeshadow called Framed, which is a very nice deep purple color which I'm really feeling right now. It's a pretty intense eyeshadow, so I'm just going to pack it with my Sigma Beauty E25 brush and kind of trace the shape in which I want it to be, and then blend it carefully on the edges. I don't want this color to go anywhere closer to my brow bone, but I also want it to transition into the color I applied previously, so I have to be very careful while blending this one. Now I'm going to pick up the eyeshadow called Secret, which is a very rich dark brown. I want to intensify my crease a bit more with this. Now blending this eyeshadow very low and very tight into my crease with my Morphe M507 brush. And now to create a cat eye kind of a look, I'm going to give this eyeshadow a tiny little flick with the same Morphe M507 brush. You can always use a tape to create a cat eye. And now I'm going to use Anastasia Beverly Hills Waterproof Creme Color in Honey with Anastasia Beverly Hills brush number 18 to cut the crease. To achieve a very sharp and neat cut crease, make sure that you're using a very flat brush for this. The one that I'm using here is perfect for this purpose. And second thing to keep in mind is that apply the concealer or primer or whatever you're using on very small portions of your lid rather than dragging the brush along, because if you do, you will skip on the loose skin and then it won't be as neat. Next, I'm going to go in with one of the shimmer eyeshadows in the palette called Boom, which is a very rich, intense rose gold color. I'm applying this eyeshadow with my Anastasia Beverly Hills A3 brush on the outer half of my cut crease, and I must tell you guys, I am blown away by the pigment of this eyeshadow. Here I am applying it with a dry brush. I haven't sprayed any Fix Plus or anything on my brush, and the color payoff is amazing. I am so excited about these palettes launching on the 14th, and I really hope that you guys get them. They are just amazing eyeshadows. Now I'm gonna go in with this eyeshadow called Lolly, which is a beautiful rose pink eyeshadow with gold flecks. Here I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills A2 brush, which is also a very flat brush, and I love this brush to apply my eyeshadow on the lid, especially when I'm doing a cut crease, because this brush allows me to go very deep into the cut crease without ruining it. And now to make sure that there are no harsh lines on my lid, I'm going to go over the eyeshadow Boom with my Morphe M507 brush, and I've picked up just a tiny bit of the eyeshadow Framed, which was the matte purple eyeshadow that I applied in my crease. And now with my Morphe M506 brush, I'm going to blend the eyeshadow Rush, which was the matte orange one, along my lower lash line, and then I'm going to add the deep matte purple eyeshadow called Frame to it also. And now with my Sigma Beauty E75 angled brush, I'm going to apply the deep brown eyeshadow called Secret, very close to my waterline. For highlight, I'm going to use Morphe High Impact Highlighter in Spark, and this is what it looks like from the inside. I also wanted to swatch this for all of you so that you can see how beautiful these highlighters are. Now I'm using my Sigma Beauty E30 pencil brush to apply this highlighter on my inner corner and also on my brow bone. And as usual, after applying this highlight on my brow bone, I'm going to go over it with my finger very lightly, just to make sure that the eyeshadows are smooth and blended. For mascara today, I'm using Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara, which was from their flower powered collection, hence the pretty pink packaging. I know I've skipped on the liner application today again, but trust me you guys, I try to film it but it just doesn't turn out the way I want to. So now moving on to the lashes, I'm going to use Huda Beauty lashes in the style FARAH today. After applying the lashes, we are now done with this look. I really hope that you liked it, and I also hope that you liked the video. Please do subscribe to my channel, and I love to hear from you, so definitely let me know what you think of this look in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.